Salam sejahtera, good morning. This time we're going to have a course about the 5 fundamentals of food safety. My name is Budiman Jaafar. I'm an accredited trainer for Ministry of Health School of Food Handlers since 2004. So what I do, basically I help food business owners to get them comply to all requirements under the Malaysian Food Act 1983. So this course is about the basic principles of 5 fundamentals food safety. This is our introductions. Alright, so this course is mainly about improving our understanding on hygienic and safe food handling. As we know that is the most important things when we are in food business, we are serving people or we are selling people with our product, selling proper product. So it's very important that we make sure that the food that we are selling or serving is always safe for human consumption. And this course also is about how to prevent food contamination, spoilage and food poisoning. There is 3 main things when you are in food business. Okay, we don't want to have any problem with in terms of the legals or in terms of the perception of our customer. So this is the trap for food business. We're talking about food contamination, spoilage and food poisoning, because they will affect our profit, they will cause our loss in our business because of the 3 main factor. And this course also to let us understand when we want to start a food business in Malaysia, or we already run a food business in Malaysia, about the legal part of Malaysian food law. So there is actually Malaysian Food Act 1983. There is a basic principle how we're going to conduct our business in food, so we always comply and we can prevent any legal effect from not complying to the requirement. And on top of the law, we also have this, we call it food safety system. So food safety system is actually comparatively to the Food Act. We want to go further by having established food safety system. So this is part of our strategic marketing, so we can build trust to all our customer. Alright, so who should attend, who should know about this course? All peoples, all individual that involved in food industry. So we can divide food industry to 3 main category. Number 1 is the food manufacturing. So this consists of a food factory. Whatever product consists or is a food product, so you fall under this food manufacturing. Food manufacturing means we are selling the product is in packaging that is actually to the customer, either is ready to eat or it become part of the raw material for the other company that produce their product. And the second category is food services. So this is widely in the whole Malaysia. We have from a small stall to a cafe to a restaurant until you call it a multinationals catering or international hotel. So the difference is actually the food service, we prepare the food that is ready to eat at that place, at our premise, inside our restaurant or inside our kitchen or inside our hotels. So that is the second category. The third one, individual that should participate in this course is what you call it hybrid segment. Hybrid segment means there is a combination between food manufacturing and food service. So in that case, it's usually a center kitchen. So many restaurant, many business owner in food service, they are targeting to reach certain numbers of outlet. After that, of course, they want to have a volume, but we must make sure that all the food that we prepare is always consistent. Then you need to have a center kitchen. So central kitchen is for one of the category for food industry in Malaysia. So all of you that involved in this industry, either you are the business owner, you are managing it, or you are basically just a mere workers, this course is very important because it's talk about fundamental of food safety. So the objective to all of individual that going to go and understand and learn about this subject about food safety is we can say to a few this main objective. Number one is actually by end of this course we want all of you to understand the importance of food hygiene and food safety. It's a very sad story in until the year 2021 we still heard the news in media about people get food poisoning. Food poisoning is a disease caused by a contamination in food that they take. So food poisoning is actually a result of chain reaction from preparing of food that cause contamination because there is no proper understanding, then there is no proper practices of food hygiene when they prepare the food. Alright, that is objective number one. Objective number two is we must know the principle of food hygiene practice. Once you understand the importance of prevent food contamination and food poisoning, how are we going to have some sort of control in our operation? As you know, or you might not know, okay, food service, food industry is a lot of factors. You know, you are busy with managing day-to-day business, either it controlling your manpower or getting a proper and according to spec of your raw material and all other matters like running other businesses. On top of that, you are governed by a lot of law because when you are a food business, you are dealing with human health. That's why you must know what is the principle, then you can have a better picture, overall picture to managing your business other than just a mere reaction to what is going to be at your premise. That is objective number two. Objective number three is you must understand about Malaysian Food Act 1983 because this is the basic compliances requirement to all food business owner in Malaysia. You must know what kind of food you are going to deal, what kind of requirement to make sure the food is keep safe for human consumption, and then what your surrounding factors, what kind of equipment, what kind of operation, what kind of handling that you need to comply in order for you not to have the issue with Malaysia legal in terms of the food business. Alright? And last is the objective is to understand about what is food safety system. So Food Act is the basic principle. You cannot go below that. That is Malaysian Food Act. If you go below that in running your restaurant, running your hotel, you're going to have an issue problem with the authority of Malaysia in terms of the Malaysian Food Act. But of course, we just don't want to merely have a reactive of this, keep on worrying about what happened if the authority come and do inspection and we fail, we got summoned, our premise got closed. This is not the comfortable level we want to reach. Of course, we want to make sure that this food business, together with, we call it food safety system, is actually a system that can manage overall of operation. On top of that, we're going to get certification by the third party, the certification body. Then the certification will help us to really boost our business because with this certification of food safety system, the market will believe and build trust to us, and of course we have an advantage compared to our competitor. Alright, so that's it, the introduction about this course. So I hope you will enjoy our journey. This is what I'm going to share is my experience since 2004. I deal with a small stall, I deal with a restaurant, hotel, even a multinational factory. So the concept is all the same. I will simplify it, so either you are merely in business or you not just started a business in food, you just considering it, or you are already long in the business but always found a challenge to maintain about your food safety and food hygiene. Alright, so I see you in next chapter. Thank you very much. Salam sejahtera.